Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is my second try to present cash flow statement, which is more comprehensive and helpful to the professional students. This is a facilitation to the needy professionals. It is also requested that my channel be subscribed, liked it, and give comments so that next topic and video be more comprehensive and attractive. Here is an example data on the screen. First, profit and loss account, which was not provided in my previous video. Now we move to the balance sheet, head of accounts and data. This is a 2 years comparative data, 2018 and 19. This on the screen says showing the head of accounts, cash, trade receivables, allowance for doubtful debts, prepaid expenses, inventories, investment in EOP, fixed asset cost, accumulated depreciation, intangibles, and the liability sides on trade payables, interest payables, accrued expenses, income tax payable, provision for deferred tax, finance lease obligation, and the equity side, capital and retained earning. So we move further, and this is the schedule working. Fixed assets schedule working at the beginning of the year was 80. 80 is showing on the balance sheet. Opening balance come here. This is 80. Similarly, this is a closing. We will reach to the closing balance as showing that the beginning was this much, addition during the year. During the year, purchase of assets were 35, and the disposal were this much, and the end of the year was 105 as shown on the balance sheet above. Now working on the accumulated depreciation. Beginning of the year was 25, charged during the year 6, and relating to the disposal. This disposal assets, again this is the depreciation which relate to this disposal. End of the year there is 28, which is showing on the balance sheet, and net book value of the assets of the depreciation come to 77. Additional information given is that during the year ordinary shares were taken over by a company named K Limited. This was a acquisition, taking over. Purchase price, the fair value of assets and liabilities taken over was this much. Cash 5, accounts receivable were this much. Inventory 5, fixed assets, intangible assets, and account payables. All these were assets and liabilities of that company which was taken over by the Crowley Enterprises. This is the name of the company which we are showing presenting the data. So net assets are 7, and the net assets occurred excluding cash were 2. This was an additional payment which were made as per agreement. Now come to the allowance for doubtful accounts. Beginning this much, additional provision this much, bad return of this much. Finance lease obligation, beginning of the year was this. This is showing on the balance sheet. Fresh finance lease, purchasing of assets, 10 principal payment on fresh, this much 17. Balance end of year, this was 53. Investment associated company, beginning 30, equity and net income of associate 20, dividend received is minus balance of year 40. Now come to the account receivable working. This is shown as their opening balance was 72, sales as per profit and loss account 3, acquired from K Limited 6, total count of 378, trade receivable return of 5, closing balance this much, cash received during because this much. Accounts payable. Accounts payable are related to opening trade payable as per balance sheet is 35, purchases as per profit and loss account 156. 156 is calculated as because there is no separate data of purchases. All they have given the total amount of cost of sales 180. Now we will come working to the purchases as at closing inventory 108, 288 less opening inventory count to this month and acquired from the takeover. This takeover is not the purchase. In fact, this will be come from other company. So it will become and purchases will come to 156. Similarly, interest paid, opening interest payable is this much, interest expense for the year is this much, total it is closing interest payable is this much, and interest amount paid is come to 4. Similarly, income tax paid, this is the opening income tax expense for the year this much, provision for deferred tax and come to 33, closing interest payable 12, provision for deferred tax opening this 17, income tax paid was 33 minus 17 come to 16. Purchases of fixed assets. Opening book value of fixed asset 55, acquisition from Cable 10, acquired through finance lease this total 75, book value disposed asset 7, depreciation charge 6, closing book value 77 come to 90. So the cash paid purchase of fixed assets come to differential figure 90 minus 75, 15. Now come to the cash flow statement, our ending target. This is an indirect matter. Net profit before taxation is 60. This is shown on the profit and loss account. Here, this is the 68,000. Now go back to the cash flow statement. Now the depreciation adjustment for non-cash item. Depreciation 6, loss on sale of fixed asset 4, as working is above, interest expense as per working above given. Share of income from EOP, this is also given above. This net come to the operating profit before working capital change 64, increase in trade receivable net of takeover 25, minus decrease in inventories net turnover 24, decrease in trade payable accrued expenses 12, in total come to cash generated from operation 51, interest payment 4 as given above schedule, income tax paid as also given above schedule 6 much, and net cash from operating activities come to 31. Cash flow from investing activities, purchase of fixed asset 15 as working given above, dividend received 10 given in the additional information, Proceed from sale of fixed asset this much. Acquisition of K Limited 2. This was given as above. Net cash used in investing activities this. Cash flow from financing activities. Dividend payment was 20. Payment under finance lease was 17. This is given above. Net cash used in finance activities is this much. Now net decrease in cash and cash equivalent will come to minus 10. This comes to plus 31, 4, 37. This one, and this one come to negative 10. Cash and cash equivalent beginning of the year was 60. This is given on the balance sheet. Cash and cash equivalent end of the year come to 50. This is the reconciliation and preparation of cash flow statement. Hopefully this will be very much helpful for the students and professionals, and also I again request to subscribe my channel and like it and give comments. Thank you very much.